right, shall we put this on? The very last thing.
Keyboard.
I remember the exact shot that I picked this up from when we were in Japan too. I think I
Japan?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, bro, that's from motherland. Look at that. Dang, bro, you just keep it like this. Just leave it like this, bro.
Tie it.
Tie it?
Yeah.
I alone am the honored one.
There it is.
The signature touch.
That's hard, bro.
It looks so good. Final touch for Cali Creaming. Thank you, Dad. Cali Creaming prep has officially ended, and today is the day that we bring the car to Cali Creaming. This is my very first Cali Creaming show here in Las Vegas 2025. Super excited. It's about 9 a.m. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to go to the gas station we're all supposed to meet at. I am going to be boothing with Pandem USA, which is absolutely insane. If you guys don't know who that is the maker of my wide body kit, but the USA branch. So this is a big deal. We got all the friends and family coming to see the FR-S today. It's gonna be an amazing day. But like I said, I gotta go make an outfit. So I will be right back and we'll see you guys when we get on the road. Like you can make one side, yeah, warmer. Like warm and that side.
Well, yeah, but they're both on low. AC needs to be
But then I hit the white thing and I'm like, why do I have to?
yeah. Now it's just like regular signal.
We have arrived here at the meetup spot. Right now we are waiting for everyone to pull up. How's it going, man? Not here yet. What's up, man?
What up?
How you been?
Good. How long you got to wait here?
Probably 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Yeah.
Ain't no more. He in Vegas.
Oh, come on.
Damn, that shirt's sick though.
We're here. All right, so it is extremely hot out here, so we're just gonna walk inside. This is what rolling consists of, though. It takes forever to load everybody in. Our cars? Oh gosh.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll grab our cars.
We'll get them.
We gotta grab them.
Matching car?
van. Matching van, matching car. Alright, let's go. We gotta roll in. We're gonna go inside now. What's cracking? You're ready inside? You like what? And then I saw. Okay. You guys, we made it in. Yo. Yo. Look who made it in. However, we're not officially parked yet. We're just waiting for 2 other people to show up, and then we're gonna go to the other side of this wall that says Cali Creaming and park on that side because that's where everyone is getting parked. But it's so hot outside, so we were able to drive inside. Yo, what's up, man? Good, bro. Ooh, I think is this his car too? This is his car too. That guy right there owns both of these cars. You guys get to see how it looks before it gets packed. Yo, you guys want to go check out some cars before it gets all super loud and I gotta put the mic on? Sheesh. Look at this setup they got cooking. All that merch. Yo, look at this red lineup. This lineup is nasty. Yo. This one I think makes it out to like everyone. Got everybody setting up nicely here. Yo. Where are we gonna be staged, guys? Dang. Okay, okay. Gosh, it smells like nothing but gas in here, you guys. It's so strong. It's so strong. Oh, this is decked. Oh. Yo, there's Jay. There we go. There's his A6. We've been waiting on him and a RCF. Why is he missing a headlight? Hey. Yo. How's it going, man?
What's up, man?
Jayden, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Where's the RCF?
He's on his way right now. I believe he got lost, so I think he's trying to find his way.
Okay. I think he might be coming in. He might be coming in. We gotta meet him. Is he coming in yet? Okay, awesome. Okay, perfect. I'm sorry, I don't think I introduced myself. Jayden.
Nice to meet you.
How do you say it?
Minh.
Min. Okay. As long as we're inside, we're good. Honestly.
I know.
This is who we've been waiting on.
Okay. Kevin.
Come back. There we go. Hey. Bro, this thing is so clean. Yee.
That is so funny.
Oh, I know.
So cute.
Trying to get the best shots. He was like running up that ramp was so hard. Yeah, I know.
The funny thing is the sign said no walking up.
Yeah. Hey, there we go. We ready. All right, you guys. Here's the lineup for the Pandem booth right here. Let's go. Oh my gosh, you know Archie when you see him. You guys don't even need to see him to know that he's here. It's mad. That thing sounds like a monster. So it's cool because I'm Project Kaiji, and then my son's now Kid Kaiji. So full circle.
fucking 1,200 made.
Really?
For SEMA.
Oh.
And then she didn't get them done in time. So I have fucking 1,200 just to give away at shows now.
guys, so you guys can see we are all setting up. We're right here next to the Pandem tent. Super hyped, super grateful. We actually got to set up now. So T-minus like 3 hours until it starts. So see, we got the tires all shiny. All right, let's put this up here actually. I think this is the other side. We need the other side. Trust me, bro. Alright, y'all, let's fill this out. We finished. Guys, the car is finally finished here at Cali Creaming. Let's take a look at it.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world. Top of the world, yeah, top of the world.